Let's be honest. Budgeting sounds like one of those boring adult tasks we know we're supposed to do, but we'd honestly rather binge watch 6 hours of reality TV while eating snacks we said we weren't buying anymore. But what if I told you there's a super simple, actually doable way to manage your money without needing to be a math wizard or give up everything fun in life? Yep, it's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it might just be the budgeting strategy that finally makes you feel like you're in control of your money, instead of wondering how your paycheck disappeared faster than your self-control at Target. Here's the deal. The 50-30-20 rule isn't some complicated finance bro formula. It's actually so simple, you could explain it to your dog. It breaks your money into 3 parts. 50% goes to your needs, 30% to your wants, and 20% to savings or debt. That's it. No color-coded spreadsheets, no intense calculations. Just a clean, easy way to stop the chaos and finally tell your money where to go. Let's talk about that first part, 50% for your needs. These are your grown-up, survival mode essentials. We're talking rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and all the non-negotiables that keep you alive and, mostly, functioning. If you can't live without it, it probably fits in this category. So if you bring in, let's say, $3,000 a month, then you're aiming to keep your essential bills under $1,500. Now I know what you're thinking. Rent alone is a horror movie. And yeah, sometimes your needs want to eat the whole budget. But don't worry, we'll get to what to do about that in a second. Next up is the juicy part, 30% for your wants. Yes, you're allowed to have a life. That includes your Netflix account, the Friday night takeout you swear is your treat, those impulse Amazon buys, and your necessary emotional support coffee. Wants are the fun stuff, the things you enjoy but don't need to survive. And before you try to convince me that a new iPhone case with sparkles is essential for your well-being, it's not. Nice try. If you're making $3,000 a month, this bucket gives you $900 to play with. And here's the best part. You don't have to feel guilty about spending it. That's what this part of the budget is for. Now, the final 20%, the real MVP. This is your future money. Your "I'm tired of being broke" money. It goes towards savings, investments, emergency funds, or paying off that credit card balance that's been haunting you like a ghost from 2019. This part might not give you the instant gratification of a new pair of sneakers, but trust me, saving up a few thousand and watching your stress disappear feels way better than retail therapy ever could. With our $3,000 example, that's $600 a month. Stick with it for a year and boom, you've got $7,200. That's a whole emergency fund, a vacation, or the start of a down payment on something big. Now, if your needs are more like 70% of your income and you're thinking, well, this budget is cute but it doesn't apply to me, don't panic. That just means it's time to make a few tweaks. Maybe that's finding a cheaper phone plan, meal prepping instead of DoorDashing like royalty, or picking up a side hustle. Sometimes the key isn't just cutting back, it's making more. There are so many ways to bring in extra income today, from freelancing to flipping stuff online to starting a faceless YouTube channel. Yep, just like this one. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is that it's flexible. It's a guide, not a prison sentence. If you're aggressively saving for something like a car, an emergency fund, or just to stop living paycheck to paycheck, you can flip the script. Try 40% for needs, 10% for wants, and 50% for savings. It might be tight for a while, but that level of focus can help you hit your goals way faster. Think of it like financial boot camp, short-term sacrifice for long-term freedom. And if you slip up, who cares? Adjust, keep going. Budgeting isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. So here's your challenge. Today, look at your monthly income, what actually hits your bank account after taxes. Then map it out. 50% to keep the lights on, 30% to keep life fun, and 20% to build the future you really want. That's your starting line. From there, track it, tweak it, and automate it. Don't let your money just exist, make it work for you. Because honestly, it wants to. It just needs a plan. If you learned something today, or if this video helped you feel like budgeting isn't just for finance nerds with color-coded planners, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This is Wealth Mood, where we're all about getting smarter with money, without the boring lectures or confusing lingo. Drop a comment if you're ready to try the 50-30-20ths rule, or if you've got your own budget tricks you swear by. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your broke bestie, and stay tuned, because your financial glow-up is just getting started. Stay smart. Stay in the mood. Stay wealthy. See you in the next